As recent literature and reports outlined, achieving action and transformative change from science outputs is often impeded by misalignment across networks and communities of practice. This frequently restricts the advancement of both science in policy and policy in science. The global risk context's complex, cascading, and system issues demand major transformation in mindset and policy implementation. Yet, this is impeded by the scarce communication and reduced accessibility of scientific evidence and policy ideas between researchers and policymakers. We must reinforce more significant synergies between science knowledge production and policy practice to ensure that research outputs are more relevant to decision-making and support more resilient governance outcomes. Consequently, the Center for the Study of Existential Risks Science Policy Interface, GCR-SPI, expert group was created as a multi-organizational collaboration to investigate and better understand how science and policy communities can become more closely aligned. Its main aim is to inform and enhance the co-delivery of policy approaches and recommendations that more actively support global, as well as regional and more localized, governance of GCRs. As outlined and evaluated in the following report, the CR-SPI was able to increase awareness about GCRs beyond academia through knowledge sharing among members from different backgrounds and disciplines. Foster trust between our members working in academia and policy. Identify critical points in GCR research and policy that can be improved. Amplify the views from the Global South regarding GCR management. Produce this report, so the lessons learned can be shared with the broader community. Thanks to the creation of the GCR-SPI expert group, our members have engaged in various collaborative initiatives. Some include working with various UN offices, collaborations with the World Economic Forum members and wider-reaching regional organizations such as the Inter-American Institute for Global Change Research and the Asian Disaster Preparedness Center, as well as various universities and professional networks. In addition, our members have supported each other in their work on GCRs, by creating policy guides for academics, offering feedback on new grant proposals or giving feedback on policy efforts like the GCR Policy Ideas database created by one of our members. They'll think that creating a science policy interface alone is the solution to complex global challenges would be naive. This is one tool among many. What an SPI like ours does, above all and very successfully, is to facilitate an environment where new relationships can be fostered, where members can think about aligning agendas, rethink old dogmas, build trust, and inspire each other to innovate in research and policy.